I number 9257 is for adding parties.
मैंने लगाया
Respondents. It's a 110.
Filed by respondent.
Not the respondents, proposed respondents.
proposed respondents I sought impleadment मैंने अपने impleadment के लिए application लगाई
It is submitted by the proposed respondent. क्या नाम है उनका?
the proposed respondent is Aziz Ali.
अजीज अली.
He was not a party before the civil suit before the trial court, my lords. It's a private dispute between the plaintiff and the defendant.
एक बार भाई एक तो बात application खुल.
My lords.
my submission kindly appreciate the last petition.
It is submitted by the proposed respondent that he has got the suit property. कब किस तारीख को भेजी गई है?
there was a sale agreement that is annexure A along with
किस तारीख को भेजी गई है?
sir
It's sometime in 2001.
it's 2001
2001 from किससे खरीदी आपने?
The father of the present appellants. The father of the present appellants. He's alleging that he's purchased this property from the fathers of the appellant in this affair. The original plaintiff, basically.
नहीं sir
Any agreement to sell था वो execute ही नहीं हुआ further.
that is what I am submitting kindly appreciate sir sale agreement हुआ था sir
Agreement.
entire amount was paid it was there it was the at this stage looking into the fact there are amendments in the plaintiff's own case kindly appreciate now I bow down to that but this will if what had happened is during the pendency kindly appreciate just for 1 minute it is the plaintiff's own case the appellant herein that they in the plaint government as well as in their statements before the trial court they were denying the defendant's claim only on this ground that they have entered into a sale agreement with me, that was their sole case, Now in the appeal, what they are trying to is they are trying to sort a degree of collusion, with the defendants.
What I am saying is that his agreement is of the year 2001. He may file a suit for his own that he is now by filing this application trying to revive his limitation. 2001 agreement cannot be specifically performed at this point of time. So by filing this frivolous application, they only want to revive their limitation. They may file a civil suit. Who's stopping them? This decree is anyway not binding upon them since they were not a party before the trial court. They did not even appear before the trial court. This appeal has been pending for last 20 years. They did not even bother to appear. Now, at the fact end when this matter is up for final hearing, now they are here claiming a right over the property.
Maluk, may kindly appreciate certain paragraphs of the amendments on the plate. Maluk.
That would be at Maluk. Please. This is the first appeal.
सर प्लेंट से चालू करें सर सर जो हमारा एग्रीमेंट है इनके साथ मतलब
16/8/01 वर्धित विक्रय पत्र एवं इकरारनामा दिनांक 16/8/21 को। सब बहुत छोटा।
Respondent number 1A and 5, sir. Sir, arguing council is adjusted today. 1A and 5.
राम सुधीर गुप्ता रे पहले बाकी तो माइनर है मतलब दोज आर माइनर्स वो तो 1A की से
it's plaintiff and thereafter the appellants number 4 and 5 had reaffirmed my sale agreement.
Regarding the suit property, that is person number 69, area 0.6 of acres, situated in the application and affidavit. The photocopy. Consent letter regarding From Ramdulal and Dadula.
That is respond appellants number 4 and 5.
Yes. Ramdulal and Dadula, who are appeal number 4 and 5. Photocopy is also 5. तो ये आपने जो ओरिजिनल को एग्रीमेंट किया था
जी सर।
वो डिफरेंट यहाँ पे जो डेस्परेट है उनसे
नहीं हमने नहीं सर,
जो इनका कहना है कि पहले एक इनकी वही इनके साथ पहले एक अग्रीमेंट हुआ, फिर उसके बाद वी एग्जीक्यूटेड अ सेल डीड इन देयर फेवर, उसको सेल डीड को नल एंड वॉइड करने का सूट आया था, बट वो डिसमिस हो गया। अब इनके साथ जो अग्रीमेंट था 2001 का, उसका ये चाह रहे हैं कि ऑन दैट बेसिस दे वांट टू बिकम अ पार्टी, उसका तो इनको स्पेसिफिक परफॉर्मेंस कराना पड़ेगा। आधे एलआर से कंसेंट लेटर ले लिया, 5 एलआर में से 2 से, नो ऑन दैट बेसिस दे आर रिवाइविंग देयर लिमिटेशन फॉर अ 2001 अग्रीमेंट। उस अग्रीमेंट को भी देखेंगे तो उसमें 3 साल का लिमिटेशन
सर बस मेरा आप सुन ले सर। Manoj में dismiss my application, but Manoj में hear me Manoj, because the plaintiff government their case before the trial court, their only case was that they had entered into an agreement with me. Their ancestors Dadula Sahu was the original landowner Manoj. They had entered into an
ये भी मंजूर कर लिया बिफोर आर्गुमेंट से गवर्नमेंट से इनको सही ढंग से तो नए दावे से होगा इसमें नहीं।
Manoj, I bow down to that Manoj, that remedy is there for me. What I am humbly submitting is Manoj, because I have to bring on
Transport as an appellant in this case. प्रॉब्लम समझिए, आपको जो इन्होंने इनसे भी कर लिए, आपसे भी कर लिए
सर इनके जी
इन्होंने अगर इनका मांगा जाए जस्ट फॉर आर्गुमेंट इन दोनों के साथ चीटिंग तो पहले एक से निपट लो, जो आप
मतलब because
after having heard the letter for the matter both the parties, that is respondent hearing and this court is of consideration right of the are protected under the law applicable. Solution cannot be granted. This must have been after a period of almost 20 years. Senior shall be appropriate as procedure before completion as provided under the law. Accordingly, Amendment 95 of the promise without development filed by this body is disposed.
मतलब डिसमिस ही कर दें सर, डिसमिस ही लिख दें सर मनोज।
आपको फ्लैश क्या है?
एनी टाइम आफ्टर वेकेशंस जुलाई में
लेकिन शासन तक ही
आज तो
ये एडवेंचर लोगों के कैसे लगेगा?
नहीं सर मैं अगली डेट पे भी आ जाऊंगा सर, उसकी कोई बात नहीं।
अभी तैयार नहीं हो रहा।
सर एडजस्टेड मैलोज एनी टाइम इन मे 2nd or 3rd week. Sir is adjusted.
Manoj, I'll come down.
देख लेना।
Manoj.
Manoj, may I have it in the May?
अगर ले जाएगा किसी इसमें देख के डिसाइड कर सकते हैं इंटरेस्ट और जस्टिस की आपने पूरी फाइल पढ़ ली है जो आप रेस्पोंडेंट की मदद कर सकते हैं।
नहीं सर अपीलांट की सर, because my claim is with them.
तो since other considered adjustment, therefore yes panel hearing with the consent of both the parties in the big currency बताइए
13th of May.
in the big currency
Manoj, great.
Great Manoj.
ये पहले